And just to note down here, it says the flow rate adjustment. This is talking about your adjusting your flow rates on your water or on your syrup, okay? So to the right, if you're turning to the right, you're increasing your flow rate. You're turning to the left, you're decreasing your flow rate. Okay, so that's something to note down. The importance of water flow rate. The importance of water flow rate, 1.5 ounces per second, is number one, it helps calculate syrup consumption, cups sold, and revenue. Number two, it prevents drink quality issues based on solution and CO2 ratio. CO2 orifice setting is configured to specific water flow rate. High water flow rate leads to high solution flow rate, and thus low CO2 in the product. Low water flow rate leads to low solution flow rate, and thus high CO2 in the product. For the full version of this video, you can go to our training member sign up on our webpage, which is listed below. Thank you for watching.